So today we will be doing experiments on gas turbine or a jet engine. So the gas turbine, it can be used on a power plant or it is a form of turbo machinery. So we have one equipment here wherein we can do the experiment on how to control the gas turbine engine to plot their efficiency and their entropy and enthalpy diagram. So these are thermodynamic properties. So first we will discuss the equipment that we're going to use. So the jet engine that we have here, it is manufactured by Armfield. So we have one software wherein we can do the control and all the readings we can take from the software. So here, as you can see, we have the mimic diagram of the complete gas turbine. So from the inlet duct, the compressor side, the turbine side, and the electric starter. So all the temperature at each point and pressure should be given by this software. Now on the left side, you have here the control. So you have the power on, watchdog, enable, start, and throttle. So we will discuss this later during the experiment on how to control the equipment. So below it, we can read the thrust produced by the turbine. The calculated thrust, the RPM, the fuel consumption. So this is the mass flow rate or the volume flow rate. This is the volume flow rate of the fuel. Okay. Below it, we have the air mass flow rate. So this is the air coming in on our turbine. So there is three parts of this equipment. One is the software, second is the electric console, and then the equipment itself. So first, this is the software. Next, let's go to the equipment. So this is the electric console. So this electric console, this is the interface between the computer and the equipment that we have. So this is the electric console. This is the second part of our equipment. And the third part is the gas turbine itself. Okay. So we have here the air. So the air intake will come from here. Then we have one combustor here. Okay. So we have one compressor here, the combustor, and the turbine itself at the end here. So as you can see, if you make it closer, the turbine blades is inside. Okay. So the process on this experiment, the air intake, from the air intake, it will compress inside, and then there is a combustor in between. So introducing the fuel and the air, it will burn and to run the turbine. So the first experiment, we will help the students on how to familiarize on the control of the equipment itself. Before we are proceeding with experiment 2B, or the second experiment on the gas turbine, which is the enthalpy entropy diagram. So here we have one emergency control. We have the fuel tank below. So these are the parts. And we have one more emergency switch far from the equipment. So just in case there is a malfunction, we can shut off the equipment from far. Okay. So let me teach you on how to start the engine. So to start the engine, to control it, so you have the power on. So as you can see here, the designation is 0. So once you press this, it will become 1. So it means it is active. And then watchdog, it is keep on blinking from 0 to 1. Then press the enable button and start the engine. So at the beginning and the idle state, you have the 0 throttle. So we will throttle the engine. At first, it is on 0. So at 0 on idle state, the RPM of the gas turbine is almost 37,000 RPM. So on idle state, this is 37,000 RPM. So at the beginning, we will start this, and then we will introduce a throttling in terms of percentage, 10%, 20%, and then we will take the reading for it. So this button here, the green one, is to control the data sampling. So we will run the equipment. On its idle state. So to start, there is a start sequence. So when you press this, Just wait for 30 seconds before the engine will start. So this is the starting sequence. As you can see here, we have 38,000 RPM. We are on idle state. So at this point, we will introduce, for example, a 5% throttle. 5% throttle, so just type 5 and observe the RPM. So it is now increasing from 37, 38, 39. So as you increase the throttle, it will increase the RPM. So take a look on the fuel consumption. And now we are ready to take the reading. So press this button, let's go. It will take the sampling automatically into 15 readings. So at 6% throttle. Okay? So once we get at least 15 readings, we can stop the reading here. Now, to stop the engine, you can just press the start button again and it will go to stop sequence. So there is a stop sequence. Press this one. So wait for some time before it completely stops.